Okay, this is day 2. Day 1, he didn't feel anything. He didn't get dizzy, no nausea, nothing. It's like, ano lang, parang wala lang. So that's good. Let's do the same thing while making sure that radiation and chemotherapy is super impactful and effective. Okay? Let's do that. Okay, magbaback up na ako dito dahil wala akong ginawa kundi mag-back up ng sasakyan. Kagabi, back up.
So for day 2, ito yung
that's
body natin. Ano namin natin dito?
Ito, ayusin mo to. Iniwan mo dito yung isa na neglect na. Idikit mo. This is the day.
Isang araw.
This is the day 1.
The day 1.
So you have to make how many pieces of this, Eloisa?
30.
Alright. Okay. Ready? Okay, see you at the hospital. Bye! Yung 2 pieces of bangs. Brother, magsabi ka muna ng ano mo, ng
piece mo,
review mo yesterday before we end the video.
Mabilis lang naman yung treatment.
Parang nag-review sa Lazada. Ganun. Live selling. Parang nag-live selling si Yappy. Si Yappy. Mabilis mo.
Yun lang.
Tapos, mostly naka-close lang naman yung eyes ko kasi meron ako nakikitang laser doon. So, para iwas
ang OA ng sensor. Kagabi, ano siya, di nagbabackup ako. Nung isa kayo
So far, non-stop yung
ang OA. Kasi wala naman akong nakikitang tao. Wala.
baka may dumikit na dahon. Ganun.
Okay.
Hindi naman yung mga
So stressful. And I'm not stressed.
No,
I'm just
we're not.
No, it's my personal thing that I'm recently annoyed. I'm so
dumali na naman.
good.